Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, let us continue with the same division of large numbers. In the previous topic, we have done division by 10, 100 and 1000. Now let us see how we can divide any numeral with any big numeral like a 2-digit, 3-digit or a 4-digit number. So here I have taken to divide any numeral with a 3-digit number. So how we can do, we do not have any trick for this and very shortcut. So yes, we have to perform our long division method here. So let us perform the long division method. Now the first numeral which is given to us, the first numeral is actually our dividend. This is called dividend. And the second numeral is our divisor. Always remember, whenever you have to divide any two numerals, the first numeral is always called dividend and the second numeral is the divisor. So now let us start dividing the term. So I will write dividend inside this division box. So 44, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. So I have written dividend inside this, and now what is the place of divisor? Divisor will be on the left side of dividend. So it is 234. So we write dividend and divisor like this. Now let us start performing our division. So we have to divide 234 with this number. So we cannot do it in just one step. So we have to proceed one by one. So very first, let us complete the table. Let us read the table of 234. Since we do not know the table, so we can do the multiplication in the rough portion. So 234, very first I will multiply it by 2. So 234 2s are. What is the answer? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So am I getting something less or equal to 478? Yes, it is 468. So we'll write 234 2s are 468. Please check once again. 234 into 2 gives you 468, and in this manner only you have to write. Now what you will do, you will subtract these two numbers. You will subtract 478 and 468. So let us subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So I will simply put a cross here basically. Now, what is the division rule? Division rule says that once we have completed the first step, then one digit will come down. So we can bring down the digit 2 at this place. Now the next is, can we divide 102 with 234? Sorry, but it's not possible because 234 ones are 234, which is more than 102. So what you will do, you will multiply this by 0. You will multiply it by 0. So 234 zeros are 0. Why we have done this 0? Because at a time you can only bring down one digit downward. You cannot bring two digits together. So we have multiplied it by 0, and subtracting this up you will get 2, 0 and 1. Now we can bring the next digit downward. So let's bring this digit down. So now our number is 1023. So let us perform division for this, and now we will multiply 234 on a trial basis. Let me multiply this digit by this number by 4. So what is the answer? 4 4s are 16, 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer here multiplying the value is 936. So I will write 234 multiplied by 4 gives you 936. Let us subtract the value now. 13 minus 6. Since we cannot subtract, so we'll take the borrow. So this will become 13. This will become 1. 13 minus 6 gives you 7. 1 will take borrow. So this will become 9 and this is becoming 11. 11 minus 3 is 8 and 9 minus 9 is 0. So we are left with 87. So is our division complete? No, because we have one more digit. So let us bring down this last digit, and the last digit is 4. So now our number is 874. So let us perform the division for this. So 234. I want 834. Let us multiply it by 3 now. So 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 6 plus 1 7. So what we got answer is 234. 3s are 702. Subtracting this up here, you will get a 2, 7 and 1. Now our digits in the dividend is over. So we cannot bring down any new digit here at the bottom to continue the division. That means our division is complete at this place. So at the last, what you will write here is quotient. When you divided the dividend with divisor, what is the quotient? Quotient is 2043. And what is our remainder? Our remainder is 172. Our remainder is 172. Now, if it is being asked, or if you want to cross check your division, so you can cross check also. So for checking, now let me tell you what is the procedure to check your division, whether you have done the division correctly or not. So to check, the formula is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder plus remainder. So now what is our dividend? Our dividend is 478,234. What is the divisor? Divisor is 234. What is our quotient? Our quotient is 2043. And plus our remainder, and remainder is 172. So very first you will write the formula, and then you will put all these values. Now let us multiply the term. So multiplying the term here, your right hand side, the left hand side will be remain same. The right hand side, when you will multiply these two terms, 234 with 2043, what you will get is 478,062. What you will get? 478,062 plus our remainder as 172. And after that, when you will add these two terms, you will get your answer the same as dividend. It is 478,234. While performing the simplification, that means operation on the right hand side, if you are getting the answer similar to the dividend, that means your division is correct. It means your division is correct. You have not made any mistake, and your solution is completely correct. So this method we use, this cross checking we use just to find out whether our division is correct. We have not made any mistake anywhere. So with this, division of large number is complete. The topic is clear to you all. I am 100% sure about this. This will help you out with in all aspects. Thank you for the class.